So, we got acorns. Got a whole bag of acorns right here. We had taken a little trip to Delicious Orchards to walk around. Hi, come on. This one's a little scared still. Oh, see, he's chasing them away. Come on. Now these acorns are sitting right in front of me. I've been working on this for a while with these guys. So I can just sit here and let them. Come on. Well, you got some sunflower seeds in the bucket. I got him some sunflower seeds too. But the acorns, come on. They love the acorns. And but this guy, he won't come. He wants the acorns, but he won't come this close. Here, get the acorn. Chowing down on some sunflower seeds. So this is what my currently what my life has become, is hanging out with the squirrels on my porch, because see, he'll come right up. He's right next to me. I could pet him. He's so close. You can come too. No, this way. You have to come right here. He's too scared. The other one is very brave. I don't have this on Zoom either. Like, this is right in front of me. Like, this is how close these are. And he'll come right up and get it. He will. Watch. I'm going to put these up right here. Here's my leg. Here's the acorns. The other guy, whose name is Charlie, that's what he told me. I don't name these things. He will come right up here when he gets back. He's going to hide. Or eat in peace. Or hide nuts. Probably both. But he'll come back and he'll get these. You know what? See, here he is. He chased him away. Now he's coming. Come on. There you go. Yes. Good. Oh, hi. And there's another little one that just... Oh, it's okay. You can get it. Another little one poked. Oh, hi, little one. Come on. Hi. Now we have 3 squirrels here. He poked his head out. And I think I surprised him. He didn't expect me to be here. And he was like... And then he made this really crazy sound. He was like... Hello. Come on. I know you can. I know you can do it. Yeah, the other one's down in the grass. Come on. Come get it. He won't. This one will not. There you go. Good. It's important to let the animals know that you're here to be with them, cohabitate with them, help them find some foods. You know, that you're not here to harm them in any way. It's very important for them to know that. So doing stuff like this helps our little creatures to know. And I did research on, of course, what to offer the little friends, and that we can help them out by giving them some food. Now we don't want to feed, oh my god, you're so close, I could pet you. We don't want to feed the waterfowl, you know, and ducks and stuff like that. It actually is okay to feed the squirrels, and it helps them. It helps them out. Some squirrels just need a little bit of help. And it's a nice nature experience. Better than watching the TV, I gotta tell you. I mean, I could watch nature on TV all day long, but why do that when you could just sit out on your porch and have it right here? So, today was 3 squirrel friends. And this is the first day that I have, well, actually the second day. Well, this is the first day I've actually been able to sit down on the porch with the nuts, like right next to my leg. There's my leg. Here he is. Hi. This one, right? This is Charlie. He's okay. Here. You want that? You want that? Come on. Oh, he just touched my hand with his little paw, and he took the acorn right out of my hand. Did you like that? Come here. Come on. Yeah. There you go. Oh, good. This is what I've been working for. I know this is going on 7 minutes. All right, maybe I could get another one of just him taking it out of my hand. Hold on. I'm going to stop it.